Welcome to another video with Future Interiors. Today we're going inside. As you can see, we've done rhinolite on this patch. Below that is plaster, and below that is a metal plate bridging the crack. You can see the structural silicone we use in the corners to bridge the cracks with the cornice and ceiling. Here we're doing damp proofing. As you can see, the bottom piece where the skirting has just been removed, that still needs to come out and finished off. So this is all damp proofing, and the damp is because we've got a higher ground level on the exterior of the house. So this paving needs to come out, be removed, and the paving needs to be lower than the interior floor level. That's in accordance with the law. Here we've done metal plates over cracks, and it's had its first plaster. Then on top of the plaster we're about to put rhinolite. Make it a great day and follow some further videos.